Hey YouTube, it's Ergo, and got a rather serious video for you guys today. Now, first off, if you didn't know, yes, I am the founder of SocialBlade.com, and that's sort of the theme of this video here, or more specifically, the community surrounding Social Blade. This message is probably more for people who aren't going to be watching this, so I apologize, to those of you that are watching, but I toyed back and forth, and I really, against my better judgment, I guess, I really wanted to make this video. Right from the start, Social Blade has always been about helping as many people as possible. I've been around for several years, and really from the start, we've believed in providing analytics to anyone that really wants them. We have just, for the YouTube stats at least, a little limit of 5 subscribers is all you need to get your stats tracked, which is more just to stop the system from gathering channels that aren't used at all. Now, expanding a little further, we have a lot of community type things as well, including the Social Blade Partner Program and our chat rooms. And with that, this is where things are starting to get a little more muddled, which I'm not really liking all that much, and I'm hoping you guys can really help out with this and put a lot more positivity into it. Now, the partner program itself, it sort of started for a couple of reasons here. Actually, you have to go back a little further than the partner program itself. Before that, for a year and a half or so, I was running a community called the YouTube Orbit, which was a community of people making daily videos on YouTube for a whole year. And sort of with the community building together, I was able to help a lot of people actually become partner on YouTube. It wasn't, through any network that I was personally running per se, but just the sort of promotion and community going behind it was able to get all these channels, up to a point that YouTube saw as these are good channels going somewhere, and you can have a partnership. So as I was building Social Blade more and more, I was really at a point back in, I think it was probably February when I started working on this, that I wanted to see if I could do something through Social Blade. And I reached out to the company Maker Studios to see if maybe they'd be interested in working together to pull this off and offer partnerships to Social Blade users. And sort of from there, this has really sprung up. And at the moment we have, I think, over 2,000 channels inside the network, and it's growing every single day. Now, although we have 2,000 of you guys in the network now, there's been even more of you that have applied and unfortunately weren't able to let in. And really the major reason why most of this is because so many people on YouTube just really don't understand copyright. And okay, you think it's YouTube and you can upload anything you want, but really that's not the case. YouTube and networks especially have to follow the same laws that everyone else does in the world, which basically means, like a TV channel isn't able to play a movie on the channel without having permission. You're not able to play music without having permission. And the same thing goes with YouTube. So again, most of the people that we turn away are because you either are putting copyrighted music on your videos, which I'm just going to reach out there and say, you probably didn't actually talk to Justin Bieber and ask if you can use his music. It's just not something that probably happened. And even if you do have permission, if you're not putting that in the video description so that we can see that, yes, okay, this song came from so-and-so website that provides royalty-free music or Creative Commons music, we don't know that. And you got to put that information there so it can be validated. Now, why all this matters and how this is really coming into play is one of the things we do is we promote a couple of partners a week on the Social Blade channel, the Partner Spotlight. And I guess before I get into that, I don't even know really the reason, but somehow the majority of users that are on Social Blade are overwhelmingly 25 and under, and the vast majority of that are really under 18. And I don't know what it is, but it just saddens me that it seems that the younger the person is that we feature on the site, no matter how talented they are, the more hate that they're getting. Now, it doesn't bother me if you dislike my videos. Go ahead, dislike it as much as you want. It really doesn't bother me. I'm not even just saying that. In fact, I even have a couple of videos on my channel. I'll link you in the description below. I really highly recommend everyone watches. It's about basically bullying online and how you shouldn't respond, which is or how you should, in general, how to take it, which is the reason that I was kind of iffy on even making this video in the first place. But what really does bother me is when you guys are hating on these kids that we try to have this friendly family environment on Social Blade. The community is supposed to be very supportive of each other. And there's these people just disliking and leaving hateful comments on the videos. And it's mostly because you guys just don't understand what you can and cannot do on YouTube, and you're taking it out on the wrong people. And it's really just creating this atmosphere that just isn't conducive of a good YouTube environment. And I don't know, it really bothers me here. And I guess what I'm trying to say here is there's nothing I can do about these people here other than, educate that you guys weren't accepted because mostly, again, copyright related things. You got to respect the law. I guess, if you have listened this far, you're most likely a supportive person. And I just ask you, go over to the Social Blade channel, go check out some of the featured partners there, and leave them a like on the video, thumbs it up, because there's just overwhelming hate on there. When I'm selecting Partner of the Week, I'm basically looking through all the videos that have been submitted, and I look for sort of the videos of the partners that have created the best videos, so entertaining, well edited, things like that. And since the selection is vastly under 18, I have to pick people that are under there. And yeah, anyway guys, just please go over to the Social Blade channel, like some of the videos there, show these people some support, and show that YouTube actually can be a supportive place, not just a negative place. Alright guys, thanks for watching, commenting, and liking. Yeah, I gotta throw it in. And I'll see you guys again soon. I'm gonna try to make some more videos a little more often. I've been just so under the pressure with Social Blade that I just haven't even been able to get outside and get to the park like today on this beautiful day. So yeah, until next time, go show some support of the Social Blade partners. Have a great day. Vlogging in public, achievement unlocked. They're going away now, but these people over here were basically listening, just like sitting over there while I was filming this whole video. So yeah, achievement unlocked.